Hello guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch back to your personal account on Instagram. If you are interested in this topic, stay till the end. For switching back to your personal Instagram account, first you have to open your Instagram. Then click on the profile icon on the side. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then click on the setting and privacy. Here you have to click on creator tools and controls. Scroll down and click on switch account type. After this, click on switch to personal account. Then click on switch to personal account. This will take some loading. After loading, go back to your profile and refresh it. As you can see, your profile has been reverted to the personal Instagram account. If this video helped you, please check out this playlist. It will help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.